Hi, my name is Robert Johnson, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Provillus supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Provillus supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Provillus, because Provillus is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Provillus, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Provillus works. Provillus supplement is an incredible formula that analyzes the reason behind excessive hair loss. This clinically proven supplement restores and regenerates the hair growth cycle within a few weeks. This supplement helps to absorb the minerals and nutrients which is necessary for the hair follicles and helps to enhance the density, volume, and thickness. Once your hair follicles get strengthened, your hair starts to glow naturally. Active ingredient protects the follicle function and stimulates hair growth naturally. Provillus supplement shields your hair against hair loss and promotes healthy and strong hair within a few weeks. Supplementing Provillus to your routine helps to prevent hair fall and baldness and makes you look youthful. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Provillus supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Provillus pills for 90 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for to Provillus work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Provillus supplement has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Provillus supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Provillus pills actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.